Alright guys, we're about to get started. Two important things. Chicken has an amazing sense of smell, so you want to stay downwind, and a great sense of hearing, so you don't want to be too loud. But we are going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, you ready?
That was good. Good one.
We want to take just a special moment to congratulate the chicken run winner for the year 2020, Robbie Mason. Come on! Woo. Is there anything you'd like to say to friends and family, you know, viewers at the home?
Stay at home.
It's wise enough for me. Enjoy the service.
Sorry, I didn't know what to say.
I feel like it's so loud.